Hello, so today I would like to show you how to synchronize a key with the car. So the battery has gone flat. You may find that it doesn't work anymore, that it no longer is synchronized with the car, and no matter how close you get, it doesn't actually work. So here is what you do in order to fix that problem. Use the key, open the car, put the key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, put down the driver's side window, shut the door, take the key out. You now find that you have a key that locks the car, and you can again close the window by holding down the fob. So now we have unlock and lock. A simple trick to be able to reset the key to the car, assuming this key was working with this car in the first place and that this is the correct blade to work with the car. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.